We're down here, kind of southeast part of the city. We're gonna go take a look at the second-class bus station. This was the big bus station that handles all the little buses that go all over the towns, villages, and whatnot around here. They also have buses that'll run to Mexico City. These are not as luxurious as the ones, obviously, that go in the first-class bus station. Let's have a look. Shaped as a semicircle. You can see all these great places with the great old name like Ixtlan and Taba. They've got cafes, stores. And then these are all the times that the buses leave, where they head off to. Now here's a location that people, Puerto Escondito. Puerto Escondito is a beach resort, although not a resort as far as a luxury, but does attract a lot of Europeans, but very specifically surfers. And that's, well, right over the mountains. What's interesting is that if you take a bus from this station, the less fancy one, you could get in there in about 6 hours. If you go to first-class bus station, you can get a bus more luxurious. It'll take you 12 hours. And the reason for that is the second-class bus will make the trip over the mountains, which, well, if you tendency to have a height thing, that might put you in a scared frame of mind, I suppose. If you take the luxury bus, they go all the way down the Pan American to Salina Cruz and then hang a right, which is a way long way to do it. And a lot of these guys are competing for the Puerto Escondito run. So, if you want to go to Puerto Escondito, go to the beach, and you're in Oaxaca, I recommend coming here, get your tickets, grin and bear it for 6 hours, and you'll be on a beautiful beach paradise. You can even take buses from here to Mexico City. These, of course, are the less luxurious ones. And here's some of the $400 pesos. So that's like 21 bucks to go Mexico City from here. There we go, Oaxaca, Puerto Escondito. Running every hour. Disculpe, ¿cuánto cuesta Puerto Escondito?
2.80 le cuesta el boleto. 2.80.
Sí, gracias. 280 pesos. That's pretty good. That's, what is that? To me, that's two. It's like $1 17 bucks. Also, they have buses coming out to some of the valley towns. They have the rug town, Teotitlan, one of the pottery towns, the black pottery, Coyotepec. I don't remember the name of the green pottery town, and various other places not far from here on the Pan American Highway. So that is the bus station, the big one, the second class bus station as they call it. Hope you enjoyed.